Good morning, guys. What's going on? It is feeling like fall here. I know I talked about this last time I recorded, but I love it. I have my sweater weather mug out because, and my long sleeved fall colored shirt because I love fall. It's my favorite.
That's why we're here.
All right, today I'm going to actually show you how to create a product that is a bestseller, a trending product on Etsy right now, has a good a good buy signal. And I'm going to show you how I figured that out. And I'm going to show you how to use CHAT GPT in order to create this. You can do this easily in a day. And I'm also going to add this template to our PLR shop. So if you do not have time to create it, it will be there. You can buy it and then you can turn around and sell it as your own. You'll just need to update like the colors, the theme a little bit. And I'll show you guys how to do that. All right, it's been a hot mess, chaotic, crazy week here. We got a new couch. We got rid of our old couch. We're remodeling. We have family coming in this next weekend. And so it's just been nuts, which is why I love passive income, because even on the crazy days when I can't sit down and do anything or create anything, my businesses still are earning money. And that is why I am here with you guys, is I want to help educate you on ways that you can earn income from home, passive income, maybe some not so passive income, but just all the different things. First of all, let me just tell you, my name is Wendy Jo. I have 25 years experience working for myself, earning passive income, really dove in deep the last several years on mostly passive income, and I teach y'all how to do it, all the tips and tricks. The digital world, you guys, is just massive and only growing, and it's just the world we live in, and you either adapt or you die kind of a thing when it comes to business. And so anyway, I don't want this to be a super long video because short is better on YouTube these days. People have an attention span of like that much, so of a toddler basically. All right, so we're gonna jump in and I'm gonna show you. So first of all, I did a quick search on affirmation cards on Etsy just to see, I've seen them a lot. I think that they're a great item. And as you can see, here's a bestseller. Here's a bestseller. It's an Etsy pick. Here's a bestseller. This one is making like thousands a month. It has bad words, but I'll click on it because I want to show you guys the analytics for it. Even though this is not something I could in good conscience create. Maybe one of y'all can and you can run with this, but this product is making over $8,000 a month, you guys. That's insane. Now they're actually selling the physical affirmation cards, but you could easily create the digital version of something like this, or you could use a print on demand service. It just kind of depends. Like if you want to sell print on demand, you could definitely do print on demand cards here. We'll just find them. I bet on Printify they have it. Print on demand card deck. Custom, so shuffled ink, Printify, there's lots of places. Gelato has them. So you could find a print on demand if you wanted to actually sell the physical product. But if you wanted to sell the templates for these and them to be digital where somebody else could print them out themselves, you wouldn't be able to sell them for this amount, but you definitely would be able to make some money. So here's another bestseller, much more in my realm of things here. 40 positive affirmation cards. These are super cute. It's a bestseller in 20 plus cards, and they're still making over $600 a month with a $1.40 product. You guys, that's crazy. And this is digital. This is not even a physical product. This is a digital product. So you're going to download it and then you're going to be able to print it. So let's take a look at, I just want to like inspect their listing a little bit. 40 cards, put next to your bed in your bag. Printable mental health resources, happy customers from all around the world. Okay, so they don't even use, like they've got 4 images and a video, you guys, and they're a bestseller. So sometimes all the things you teach about Etsy don't make sense. I don't understand it, but it is what it is. Okay. So we've proven here that there are definitely several bestsellers. Here's another one that's making $176 a month. This one is a physical product, however, so this is a little different. But then what I do is I use Insight Factory to go in and search affirmation card templates and see that it does have a great sales signal. 32 of 62 listings on the first page had at least one sale during the past week. So people are doing this. And the thing I love about Insight Factory is I can copy the best-selling tags from all of these products and use them in my products. Let's jump back in. So affirmation cards, we've looked at it. We've seen that there are several best sellers. You can kind of see, what is trending. Etsy pick bestseller. Like there's a lot of them out there, and the price range, you guys. I mean, physical versus digital. So like this one, Etsy has changed up their listings, which I love. Now it tells you if it's a digital product or if it is a physical product. And we're going to actually create these affirmation cards, and I want to show you how to use CHAT GPT to do this. So I'm going to tell CHAT GPT what I want. So I'm going to tell it I want it to create a list of 50 positive affirmation sentences. Make the sentences short. So affirmation sentences for teenage girls. Why not? Make the sentences short and uplifting. Use a familiar tone of voice. All right, we'll see what that does. Okay, so here you go. So now it is creating 50 positive affirmation sentences for teenage girls. So I'm going to show you how you're going to take this and you're going to create what you need. So you're going to copy this to your clipboard. And now we're going to go to Google Sheets, which I love because it's free, but you can do this in Excel. You can do this anywhere. And you are going to hit paste all 50 of your quotes. We're going to download this as a CSV. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go into Canva. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a custom size, and we're going to change this to inches, and we're going to make the width 3 and the height 4. Create a new design. Okay. Now, if you are doing this as a digital product, you probably would want to create these and then put them all into a document that can be printed like on an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. So what we're going to do though is create the actual affirmation cards right now. And this, like, kind of the sky is the limit here. So let's go boho because it's trending as well. Okay, so this is actually really cute. So let's take this as an inspiration. Okay, I'm just going to fast forward through this part because this is the design process of me trying to figure out exactly what I want this to look like, using my inspiration picture and then just looking at different elements that are available to me. Now, I do have a pro account, so some of the features that I ended up adding in this do not make it to the final version that we have in our PLR website because I make sure that everything in there has free elements so that you don't have to worry about those watermarks and stuff. But I'm just playing around with it here, basically trying to find a text that I like. I was playing with the text and realized that teenagers, a lot of them cannot read cursive. So if you make this for teenagers, you probably don't want to use cursive in there. But just kind of putting together the final elements, and then we're going to go into how to import the CHAT GPT. Go over here to bulk create. And if you don't have bulk create here, you can go into the apps and search for it. But you want bulk create, and you're going to upload a CSV. So we have our affirmation CSV right here. We're going to open that, and then you are going to connect the data. So I literally clicked the text box. So I got everything set first, and you're going to see why that's important here in just a second. So I'm going to hit connect the data, and I know it says empty right now. We're going to hit continue, and we're going to generate 50 pages. So what this did is it took all 50 of those things that we created inside of CHAT GPT and it recreated them as affirmation cards. Just to show you. So there's all 50 of your cute little affirmation cards, and you can see, like, you're going to want to go through and make sure that everything is cohesive and that kind of stuff. So then I just went back through and edited each of the little phrases in here so that they fit nicely and were centered. But I mean, this took all of like 5 minutes to do the 50 of them and was so much faster than actually having to come up with the sayings myself. So ChatGPT for the win. Once you've got them set, you can download them all as PNGs, and then you can upload them over here and drag and drop them into a printable 8.5 by 11. So what I ended up creating was a grid with 9 images in each one, and it's all drag and drop. And this is actually included with our product that we have listed on our website. So it makes it so easy for you guys to sell them. So that is it, you guys. So you're going to do this, and then you would sell this as a finished product. So you would download this as a PDF print, so like a nice high quality version, and you would sell the PDF. You would attach the PDF to your listing to sell. The only time you would do it as a template would be if you are making them editable for your customers. So you could sell these as a template where somebody could take your cute little template and go in and fill in their own words. So you could do that, or you could sell these as affirmation cards digitally, and it's a digital product and you've got all the things. There are endless possibilities of ways to create new products, different products, and you just have to use your imagination a little bit to do it. But I'm excited to be able to share with you the different ideas and the different ways that I know that you can make money. And I mean, I've told you guys this before, but I teach you out of my own experience, not out of just things I've seen or heard. I'm actually teaching you things I've done. And so I just want to encourage you to dive in, watch the videos, really learn and understand like what I'm trying to teach you here. I am coming out with some courses that are going to be like more like fast tracking you to making the money. But I will continue to put my free information out on YouTube because I want to be able to help as many people as possible get started, even if you can't afford to do a course. But if you want like the concise step 1, step 2, step 3, then the courses will be for you, and there will be some added value in those as well. But you guys go out and make yourself some affirmation cards today. I'm going to get these listed in our PLR shop, so you can actually go and grab these to turn around and resell as your own. With our PLR products, you just have to go in and change up the colors a little bit and the style a little bit to make them your own. But you guys, ChatGPT is amazing, and you can do so many things with it to help you in your creative journey. So it's like taking the writer's block out for you. It is taking out the work of trying to come up with all the things. And like, there's endless possibilities. I could redo this again for a woman, I don't know, a woman that is retiring, or a woman who's had a miscarriage, or a woman who's getting ready to give birth. Like, there's so many different affirmation card niches that you can dive into that you can still have a lot of great success with. I did want to go in here to see how many listings are on. So there's 49,000 listings of affirmation cards. Guys, that's really good. I know that sounds like a lot, but 49,000. And then if you niche down, so let's affirmation cards, Christian, 3,000. Pregnancy and birth affirmations, scripture affirmation cards. So these are super cute. And see, they've kind of done like a mixture, and theirs are a different shape. So like, there's just so many options of things you can do and make incredible money. And like I said, this one, it's making, how much did I say? $6,000 a month. over $8,000 a month. That's just insane to me. Lots of options, lots of things you can do. Make sure and let me know in the comments what you think about this. I would love to hear your insight. All right, I will be back next week. You guys, if you have an extra minute, if you've made it this far, will you go watch like an hour of my content? Because I'm so close to being monetized. If you could just go watch an hour, that would help me a ton. Yeah, that's all. All right, see you guys next week.